Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. Mmm. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, saying hello. I'm sitting in front of the stove this time. Just making this short little introduction. I know it's been a while since I've been on camera. Hope you all are doing well. Hope you had a great Easter day yesterday and had a good meal and service. I'm just here today putting in some work. I'm gonna show a little grocery haul. I'm showing some old videos. Today is Monday. It's evening time. I'm going to share videos that I was supposed to put up 2-3 days ago. And then I guess I'll come back and show the latest grocery haul. What else I gonna tell y'all? Something happened and I don't know. I just found out today in Texas they just the new food stamp rules started, where they can't buy sweets and stuff anymore with food stamps. That just occurred in Texas. I don't know what they're gonna do out here in Southern California. All the rules broke. So who knows what they gonna change? Probably nothing. They probably not gonna stop people from buying sweets and junks out here in California. But I hope you guys are doing well, and thanks for the support. Come back as often as you are available. Don't forget, I got my crafting channel, and I also have my gardening channel. I hurt my back, so now I know I can't be lifting heavy stuff on a regular basis. So it'll be a slow roll as I refresh and pretty up my little balcony garden and do my little flowers, whatever I'm going to try and do. Hopefully I get it done. If not, it's because of my back. But I'm going to try my hardest to get out there and do what I need to do slowly, but hopefully I get it done. And continue with the crafting on my craft channel and continue over here doing what I do. Hope you guys will continue to join me. And don't forget, if you're not subscribed, subscribe, comment, like, share. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to let you know when I put up new videos. And also remember that if you're going to be a new subscriber, you got to wait 24 hours before you can comment. That's how they got it set up. It's the choice. It's a choice. So hope you don't mind that, but you can still like the video. Hit the notification bell, and most importantly, you can subscribe. And hopefully my interests are your interests, or can be. Come. And if you are a content creator and you do videos, invite me to your channel. I'll come. And on that note, I'm going to end this video, and I hope you guys enjoy what comes after this. Well, after me, I'm going to share what I was supposed to put up 3-4 days ago. But here we go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again with some more grocery stuff, goings ons, and what's happening for today. It is Friday, Good Friday. Hope all is well, and you're getting your shopping done for spring, for Easter Sunday. Did I mention what we're having for dinner? Turkey. I have a whole turkey I'm about to cook. That's my last turkey. Then I'll just be left with a duck, some Cornish hens. Yeah. I don't know if I got a whole chicken in there. But anyway. Yeah, we're having turkey, dressing, mac and cheese. I got some cranberry sauce and some yams. Well, sweet potatoes. And I got some potatoes, and we want to have a small mashed potato, small mac and cheese, small dressing, some mustard, turnip greens, collards, well, trio greens. We'll have some greens, and I might do black eyed peas. Ooh, the phone just turning. It might be black eyed peas because I love my black eyed peas and okra, or it could be butter beans. One out of two. My mouth already watering for this dinner, because those are some of the foods I enjoy eating. Love it. I know a lot of people are cooking ham. Not doing the ham. Wish I could, because ain't nothing better than leftover. Eating some ham sandwiches. My goodness. Making all kind of ham, leftover ham dishes and entrees. All kind of sorts of snacks. Oh yes. People getting them big juicy hams. Yep, even a meal could be from the ham hog. Shoot. Oh yes, that fat on that pig. Oh yes, oh yes. Well, I can just imagine from years in the past of enjoying such a meal. Pig feet, all that stuff. Yum. And now I no longer indulge, but that doesn't mean I just will cherish the memories of, yes, I had it. Yes, I know still what it tastes like, the experience of it all, and I love it. And that's what I'll have to enjoy my memories of eating pork like that, especially that ham. And I am looking forward to seeing folks cook their hams and looking so good to feed their family. So on the internet, on social media, I'm watching a lot of videos, people grocery shopping for Easter. Some are sharing meals they say will feed so many people, sharing how they're going to prep and prepare their meal for Sunday, or how it can feed so many people. Enjoying it all. The decorations, the DIYs, all of it. I love it. And today, let me share with you guys what we're having for dinner today. Did I say it already? Fish? I did, huh? I'm tripping, huh? Well, let me repeat it. Fried fish. I'm cooking the fries. They're going to be oven-baked fries. Yes, I get down like that. Oven-baked, dirty fries. Sweet potatoes and russet potatoes. Oh, yes. We love it. And on top of that, I'm making a potato salad. And on top of that, going to have some green salad. Got an avocado. Some eggs. I got to boil my eggs. That's what I got to do. So yeah, all of this going on. Green salad, potato salad, fries, corn on the cob. Yes, yes, yes. And fish. About 5 different kinds. So yeah, we're going to be enjoying ourselves today. And that's going to be what's going on. So right now, I have my the fish fry we're going to be using, Louisiana New Orleans style lemon flavored seafood bread. That's what my husband fried his fish with. I don't know if we're going to have a few pieces of chicken, because last time we had chicken and fish. Don't want to sound greedy. It's just good entree. That's all I'm saying. So today's meal. Oh, Last time I had some dinner rolls. I don't know if I'm gonna make them some dinner rolls. I guess I could do that. Let me go ahead on and get myself prepared and make my family some dinner rolls. It ain't gonna take that long. I don't mind. I really don't mind cooking and baking for the family. Y'all know my song. Shared the trailers on here on all my little grocery videos. My little trailer with my family singing. Two of my kids. I got to get them on there too. I love it. I love hearing my kids' voice. And my husband also. If I could, all the family be on there singing. Be harmonizing together, talking about, sharing, experiencing family life. So wonderful. But yeah, I'm just in the kitchen this morning prepping my food for today. And like I say, I'm going to get these dinner rolls because that would be nice. Let me get the dinner rolls together. And so they can have some nice, fresh dinner rolls. I'm thinking if I get it done, hopefully, we'll see, because it really ain't going to be no big deal because I got everything I need. It just has to be done. And we'll see, because we got quite a lot of stuff to eat. But one more, put it on the buffet. On the buffet. Shoot, we're having a buffet. I got all these many dishes, entrees, and all that stuff to enjoy. Last time I made a chocolate chip cake. My husband, he enjoyed that chocolate. He said it tastes like a what that cake called? Hostess chocolate cupcake. He liked it, that texture and the flavor. How the cake felt in his mouth. He liked it that. And I'm glad he did. Okay. But today, I don't know if we're going to have a dessert. Because this is a lot of good food, but ain't nothing wrong with a little dessert. I don't know. I'll think about it. Everything might not be shared, but I'll give it a thought. So anyway, I just come through here to share with y'all what we having our meals and what we're gonna eat and enjoy on Easter. Are you guys dying eggs? If I do, it won't be but 6 little dyed eggs, and they'll be eaten right on up. And I got plenty food coloring and all that good stuff to go. I got jelly beans, and that reminds me, I didn't put my jelly. I put my candy bars in the glass jar, but not my jelly beans. Where are my jelly beans? Okay, so I got jelly, I got candy, all that stuff. I have fixed my daughter's Easter basket. I did my husband. If y'all didn't know, I had shared his Easter basket in one of these videos maybe 2 days ago. And in the video, I shared my husband's Easter basket. If you want to see it, check it out. Don't forget, I got a gardening channel and I have a crafting channel. If you want to see what's going on over there, go and stroll and find a link on this channel and click and go on over there and enjoy yourself. And happy Easter, y'all. Y'all have a good one. In case if I didn't come back. And y'all, take care. Bye for now. Thanks for the support. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah.